of the day. We've got a McDonald's. This one is $6 going 2 miles.
Thank you for choosing McDonald's. Will you be using the mobile app today?
There you go.
Thank you.
Have a good one.
You too. Finally got the next order. This is a Taco Bell. $9 going, I think it said 6 miles or just under 6 miles.
Hey, are you checking in with your app to earn rewards points?
Thank you. Well, that kind of took forever. Holy. I mean, that is a ton of food, but still, kind of wish I was on by time for that one.
Hi. You're DoorDashing?
Yeah.
Thank you. You can just leave it up here on the seat.
No problem.
Thank you so much.
Have a good one. Oh my goodness. Somebody was getting elevated. Let's put it that way. Could smell it as soon as I got out of my car. Ooh, there was a hidden tip on that one. Okay, that order was actually $11. Thank you, thank you. Next up, we have a 7-Eleven. This one is $8 going about 5 miles.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, we finally got something. Not a great order, but something. It's been a really, really, really long time. This is a Starbucks, $6 going 4 miles.
Hi there.
Hello. Got the next order right away. This is a shop and deliver for Safeway, $6 going 1 mile, 3 items.
2 0.
Items without barcodes. If you have your club card,
Got this next order right away. It is a shop and deliver for Walgreens, $7 going 2 miles, 5 items. This one, I'm like 50-50 on because it's got some beauty products in it, and I'll admit, I'm not the best at shopping for them, so we'll see what happens. Excuse me? Can you unlock some eyelashes? It should be, I think it's these right here. Okay, I kind of got lucky there, I'm not gonna lie. I was mostly worried about the eyelashes, and I didn't even find the right ones until the lady was right next to me. I just called her over to hopefully help me, but I saw them as soon as she walked up. So I just drove past it, but I guess we're heading right back to Walgreens. This one's a shop and deliver, $10 going 3 miles, 3 items. Okay, that one was easy peasy. I like that. Oh boy, it's the back to back to back to back to back. Got another shop and deliver for Walgreens. This one is $13 going 5 miles, 2 items.
Oh my God. New Amsterdam?
Yeah.
1.75, right?
Yes. Yeah, that's the one.
2 of them?
Yes.
Oh,
You only have one?
I got 1. Wait a minute.
Uh-oh.
Never mind, I got it. I found the second one.
So is it paid for?
Should be, yeah. I just need your ID. Next up, we've got an order going across the river. This is McDonald's, $7 and change going just under 4 miles.
More Justin?
Yeah. Thank you. You too. Excuse me? So I just have a drop-off. It says orange booth. Do you know what that would mean by any chance?
Where's this at?
Orange booth. Do you know what that means at all?
This is orange booth, not blue booth.
No, it says orange booth. So
Turn
it's
around. Yeah.
okay.
Do a 180.
Yeah.
And then hook a right at the stop sign. And
Okay.
then you'll see the single booth, and Justin's in there. I think that's who ordered
Yeah.
it.
For Justin?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah, I saw you going to the front. I was like, oh, I might have to message you.
Yeah, some guy on the go-kart told me to turn around, so why lie to me? Question mark. That was definitely not an orange booth. That was like a blue one. Next up, we've got a nectar juice bar. This one is $8 going 4 miles. Thank you. Okay, somebody's got to help me out with the pronunciation on this one. How do you pronounce Xoxia? Next up, we've got a Mr. Maple Donuts. This one is $7 going 4 miles. You don't have this order ready, do you? You do? Okay. Thank you. You too. Okay, good thing I asked because I was about to leave. Heading back across the river with this one. Not ideal, but it is what it is. Got a Victoria's Cafe. This one is $9 going 5 miles. Thank you. You have a wonderful morning. You too. Oh wow, they did not fill this cup at all. It's like up to here. Got this next order right away. This is a Restaurant Depot. $35 going 7 miles, 7 items. Okay, I don't know how long that took me, but it felt like an hour. I wish I knew that store even remotely. I was so lost. Is there another entrance, or do you want me to like, because there's no parking around here. There's no way to enter from that side?
No, it's only this one gate.
Okay. Nice, very nice. That's just great.
Perfect, thank you.
That one ripped, so careful. I don't know, maybe offer to help me? Nah. Okay, I am very much over it, so let's go home. Current time is 11:26. Total, we rounded out the day with 140. We had lots of shopping. Definitely did not expect that much shopping. But anyways, let's go home. That's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.